In the nature, they sleep 6 to 8 hours per day, and their deep sleep process does not last of their time to rest, and they only activate themselves 20% in a day. Lasts longer than 3 to 4 hours. Sleep 12 to 14 hours. Cats. Normally, cats sleep average 15 hours per day. For a lazy kitten that loves to sleep, this period of time can go up to 20 hours per day. There are many different factors that affect when the weather is gloomy and they cannot go outside to play. When it's cold or rainy, cats also spend more time sleeping. Fact the sleeping time of a cat, such as their age or their habitat. You can also see cats usually being a sleepyhead, during the sleep. They will not stop chewing, and the process of them synchronizing the fiber will not stop either. Horses have their features unlike other animals. They love sleep standing in the night. Puppies can sleep 18 to 20 hours per day. Older dogs tend to sleep more as well, while a mature dog at night, no matter what time you come and check them out, they will always be standing, but their eyes closed, sleeping. and being lazy. Cows. Cow is a daytime animal. They will rest and sleep at night. But even during Dog. According to some research, the sleep of a dog includes their short naps in the daytime and a long sleep at night. In 24 hours, they spend 50% of their time to feed, 30%